I don't know why sectioning hair is literally more difficult than stealing the Declaration of Independence. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl GoldyNaps, and today is a very special day because it is the last time I will ever be an embarrassment to Black women around the world. I am learning how to cornrow today. So I have no idea how to cornrow, and it's really holding me back mentally and emotionally. Just because like I would love to wear wigs. I would love to be able to do different styles with my own hair, and I cannot, simply because I was not blessed with the ability, the natural instinctual ability that I should have to do my cornrows. So I'm gonna fix that, and I'm gonna take my behind to a YouTube university, and I will not get up out of this seat until I have a full head of cornrows. All right, so for my calculations, it seems like I need to section my hair down the middle to have like workable sections. I don't know why sectioning hair is literally more difficult than stealing the Declaration of Independence.
I'm gonna steal the Declaration of Independence.
Like, why is this? It's never straight, okay? It's always crooked. All right, so here is my first little section. The back probably looks like a hot mess, but ooh, I can already feel it. Let me try to. I don't know how to do clean parts. Like, I don't want to have to blow out my hair just to section it properly, you know? That's like very annoying. Okay, I think that's a little bit straighter. I have no idea. All right, so now that our hair is sectioned, we're gonna try to do 5 cornrows on each side, which I don't even know how to do one. So this is really gonna be a freaking trip. Okay. Here, this is what she's doing in the video. Oh, this is straight-ish. Oh my god, that looks like a hot mess. Okay, so I think I have a solid first section here. I think the part is relatively straight. So now my little tutorial, my professor from YouTube University is telling me to hydrate my hair a little bit. So I'm using this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner just to hydrate the region. She's real dry right now. And then I'm gonna take some Shine and Jam conditioning gel and just put that at the root area. She didn't do this in the video, but we're gonna do it here because I feel like that just makes it easier to grab. Okay. Gonna put a little on my ends too. All right. And so now is the time to actually commence the braiding. Oh. And we're going to split it into thirds, 3 pieces. Oh God. All right, and then we're gonna braid. And then she just said to pick up hair as you go. Okay. Oh. Oh, I already got messed up. I already got tangled up. Oh no, wait, here we go. Oh my god, the math is not mathing. There's like 10 pieces now. This is actually pretty freaking good. It's not like the best braid ever, but it's on my head. Like, it's stuck to my head, which is exactly what I wanted. Oh my god. Am I like actually gonna be able to do this by the end of the day? I'm actually very impressed. That was a very good video, I guess. I really think the issue with all the other times that I tried to do this is that my parts were not, like, this is the straightest part I've ever done. And it's crooked, so that's really saying something. I feel like it makes it so much easier when your part is actually, like, straight, because you're not just, like, going off into, like, random places. But obviously it was fine that it's not super neat. I was like really picking up like random amounts of hair. But let's keep going. I think I'm gonna try to do this whole section and then I'll come back. Wow. I have now completed half of my head. This was not easy. I'm going to talk about some things that I learned that I don't think are addressed in tutorials by people that are clearly experienced in this field of cornrowing. Mine looks sloppy AF. Like, it looks like a hot mess, but really once I realized it would be impossible for me to get it neat, I was like, all I need to do is get it stuck to my head. That is because I'm not doing this for it to look super cute. Like, I just want to like learn how to do the technique and also be able to try wigs and stuff. Like, this is not, the point is, my goal was not to make this look super presentable, but just to get the hair down on my head. And even though if you really look up close at the detail, it's messy, I noticed that if you take a small of a piece that you can grab for that first section in the front, it will look relatively neat. But if your section is like big, when you take it at the front, it's gonna look like a hot mess. Additionally, once you get down to the back here, it's not always easy to get it to stick to your head because there's just like not a lot of hair. Like with this section over here, there's a lot of hair back here, but with these sections in the middle, it's like the nape of your neck gets thin, so it's like not a whole lot of hair to go around. I don't know how to navigate that issue, but like, see how like this got a lot of lift. It's not like down on my neck like this. This one is like down on my neck. I don't know if that made any sense, but that's one of the issues I had. Also, the crown of my head has kinkier hair, and it was just a lot more difficult for me to section those pieces of my hair easier. Like, I feel like if I had blown out my hair, it probably would have been simpler, but the front of my hair has a way looser texture than the crown, so it wasn't always easy to kind of like cornrow those bits together. And oh my gosh, parting. I wish I was a better parter, because when the parts are actually straight, it's not that difficult to do. But if really the two main things that I have learned in this little process of trying to teach myself is that front piece has to be really tiny and your part has to be straight. And if those things kind of work out for you, like, it's not going to be incredibly difficult. But yeah, this braid, this middle one here, ew, I have hair in my mouth. But the middle one here, it literally took me like 20 different tries. I kid you not. And I feel like it's because when you're braiding the side pieces, you can comfortably hold your arms down like this. But the only way that I could really get this to lay down was to braid like this. And bro, my arms were exhausted. I was messing up. My arms were tired. I was getting really frustrated. Ultimately, I finally got it to lay down, but it was just really hard, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then I'll probably just like do some cute makeup just because, and that'll be that. All right, you guys, so after 5 hours, this is the finished look. I think it turned out pretty good. It's a little sloppy here and there, but that's the job done. And this is just a testament to the fact that you can do anything you set your mind to. So I will say that it got easier as I went along. Doing the second half was definitely so much quicker than doing the first half. But it's definitely like these top two cornrows that are like the most difficult because you have to keep your arms up for so long, and I was just like getting tired and it was really hard. But like the ones down here are so simple. And I'm gonna say like really the middle ones are not attached to my head down when you get to the nape. Like there's just like barely any hair left like to attach it there. I don't know, I had to get better with my parting. Like I tried the best that I could, but I cannot emphasize how much parting matters with this style. Like if your parts are straight, like you're straight. I feel like if you're in the same boat as me and you've really been trying to get the hang of this for a long time, the Shine and Jam was a game changer. Use the Shine and Jam to make your hair easier to grip, and then just grab whatever hair is comfortable for you so you could just get that thing laid down on your scalp, because trying to make it neat, you will stress yourself out for no reason at all. And I know all the tutorials make it look so easy, but you just gotta do what you gotta do and do what's comfortable for you and keep practicing at it until you get better at it, because maybe that's the only way I can make it work. It's just to give up on the neatness and do what I need to do to get these laid down. But yeah, so straight parts, Shine and Jam, and grab whatever hair that you're comfortable with. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it was helpful for anybody who might be struggling with learning how to cornrow. I will have the video that helped me the most linked down below. I hope that you guys like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!